An altcoin is a digital cryptocurrency that is similar to Bitcoin. Big names you might have already heard are Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Altcoins come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. There are endless small coins you've probably never heard of, and new ones pop up every week. My name is Josh, and today we will talk about the 4 main ways to categorize altcoins. The first type of assets we will talk about are utility tokens. Utility tokens give the holder the right to participate in its network in some way. Such tokens could, for example, give the holder the right to use the network and take advantage of its services to vote on the governance of the network and its upgrade. They are often used as a fundraiser, and in that case, represent future access to a company's product. By creating utility tokens, a startup can sell digital coupons for the service it is developing. Once the fundraising is complete and their service is fully developed, the users can spend their tokens on the newly built service. Next up are security tokens. They work quite similarly to utility tokens. However, they have to be issued in compliance with laws regulating traditional securities like stocks and government-issued bonds, whilst utility tokens are not subject to the same regulatory procedure. They usually represent one's investment in a project and take value from the startup behind the project. They don't give the holder actual ownership in that startup. The third type of assets are non-fungible tokens, and they are known as NFTs, and they are a special type of token. NFTs represent something unique and are therefore not interchangeable. This means that an NFT will always stand for the same individual item. For example, let's take CryptoKitties, an online virtual pet keeping game. Each token represents a unique CryptoKitty. It doesn't matter how often it is traded, that token still represents the same CryptoKitty, opposed to all non-NFT tokens where after being traded, they are still the same token. The last type of assets are called stable coins and are designed to minimize the volatility of price. This is achieved by pegging it to another cryptocurrency, fiat currency, or to exchange traded commodities such as precious or industrial metals. Many altcoins have a lot of similar traits as Bitcoin. Most are peer-to-peer and use a proof-of model to reach consensus. But even with many coinciding characteristics, altcoins differ widely from each other. Now that we know what altcoins are, we should look at what's in it for us. Most important is the opportunity. Unlike Bitcoin, a lot of altcoins are still in their beginning stages, have a low coin price, and a small market cap. These coins have big plans and could impact the future in a way not seen before. They could grow as big or even bigger than Bitcoin, meaning a massive return on investment for the early adopters. If you're interested in trading altcoins, Cryptohopper is an online platform that does it automatically for you. You simply add the altcoins you're interested in, and your hopper will do the rest. However, if you're interested in trading from Bitcoin, in the description is a link to a blog that shows you all the ins and the outs. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and click the subscribe button. And as always, happy hopping!